explorers! Do you want to join me on a secret mission?
Today, we're not just going to exercise. Today, we'll use our magic yoga power to fly a magical carpet.
But there's one problem.
This carpet will only fly if we do the right yoga poses.
Are you ready? Let's stand on our magic mats and begin. Wow! We did it! Our mission is complete! Now, lie down on your mat and gently close your eyes.
Imagine you are lying.
Take a deep breath and relax.
I hope you enjoyed this magical adventure.
If you liked this adventure, don't forget to subscribe to Magic Yoga Girl.
Give this video a like and share it with your friends.